Guys, this WTI crude oil, before you actually go, click on the subscribe button. You can like and share. So basically, we want to see where this WTI crude oil will actually be moving. So in order to be able to predict this move on this WTI crude oil, by the way, we would actually roll back to the weekly time frame, which is 1 week time frame. So if you to see it right on the foot trend, you can see that for sometimes this WTI crude oil has actually been going bullish and bullish, right? Then it actually got to I think what it was early this year, right? 2020. This was around February 2022, early this year, right? Then we started seeing a drop on this WTI crude oil. So basically our WTI crude oil is now on a drop. We are now bearish again and again. We are seeing that this price is now below the 10 period moving average. The moving average, which I set to 10, is actually used to actually get to know our quick analysis, which means once the price is below 10 period moving average, we are to actually to look to short it, coupled with the fact that it is now on the weekly time frame and it is below 10 period moving average. So it is one thing which is a bearish move. So about last week we had a bearish move on our weekly time frame. Last week we had a bearish move. Even this week we've actually opened bearish and we would continue to drop. So now let's see to actually place this trade on our WTI crude oil. There's one level, there's this daily time frame we would actually roll back to, which is our daily time frame. See the move on this our daily time frame, right? See it, we are dropping on this WTI crude oil. Our WTI crude oil is now dropping again. It is now below the 10 period moving average. So once the price is below 10 period moving average, simple, we are to look to short this WTI crude oil, right? So we'll be having a drop, a correction, a drop, a correction, a drop. So if you notice it, this drop was breaking below the previous lower low. So it was breaking. Now of this recent, this was a drop, yeah. A correction was made. We actually had another drop. We saw this drop break below the previous lows. A correction got here. What are we expecting next again? Another drop. So WTI crude oil, we are expecting a drop again on this daily time frame. Reason why we actually opened and closed bearish yesterday. Even today, the price is on a bearish move. You can see it, right? The price is still moving, by the way. So on the 21, the price just opened not long, the market open and it is bearish. So for the next day, we're very much likely to close bearish also, because once we close bearish today, we should be closing bearish the next day. Let's go, we want to see that bearish move to take these lows, right? This was the lows where we had the pullback from. So price dropped to this level, then we had a pullback. So we are now seeing another drop. We would want to see the drop to take that lows again on this daily time frame. To actually place this trade, roll down to the 4-hour time frame, which I actually love taking it from. On this 4-hour time frame also, it says we are bearish. See it this way. Impulse move, a correction was made, right? Another impulse move here, which actually broke the previous lows. Then a correction was made. It's kind of ranging. So we are expecting another impulse move to go down and break these previous lows. So WTI crude oil again, we are still on a drop. We would want to have that drop to the price take out these lows on our 4-hour time frame. Once we have that drop to take out these lows, then find our WTI crude oil maybe for the week. What we can grab a lot from this. At least we should be having a drop to around 81. We are currently trading at 83. Let's see if we'll be having a drop again to 81 on this WTI crude oil.